ang kailangan nating i-build as we age is yung mga fast-twitch muscle fibers natin.
Okay.
Ang problema sa mga long-duration exercises like this, mga endurance exercises natin na sobrang haba, it doesn't stimulate your fast-twitch muscle
kasi
fibers. Kailangan natin i-preserve kasi yan ang nawawala eh.
Totoo.
Nauubos yan. Napagtandaan nyo, mauunti-unti
Atrophy
mauubos
talaga.
yan. Sarcopenia, Coach Louie, di ba? Muscle loss is very serious.
Serious
Kailangan natin
issue to.
i-address to as early as now. Build muscles, build as much muscles as you can. So weight training for me is still the best talaga for preparation for
Preparation
aging.
and preservation.
Ang masama pa dyan, Coach Louie, pag hindi mo daw na-activate yung mga fast-twitch muscle fibers na yan, ultimo yung visceral fat is nagde-deposit
Totoo.
doon sa loob ng muscle. Ang tawag nila dito is yung myosteatosis
Mm.
or the human marbling. Diba? Sa steak, napakasarap nung may mga marble, mga may taba-taba sa gitna ng laman.